Here's a wrap of all the startup news. Zomato, the stock fell after 3 days of gains as the Q3 losses widened to 346 crores on year for the quarter against a loss of 63 crores just last year. Revenues from operations zoomed 75% to 1,948 crores on year, and the EBITDA loss increased to 265 crores versus 192 crores. The management said they're confident about reaching adjusted EBITDA break-even ex-quick commerce by Q2 FY24 and have turned adjusted EBITDA positive for Jan despite the slowdown in Blinkit. Citi has maintained a buy with a target at 76, saying that Q3 has seen growth pangs and there have been green shoots. Jefferies has a buy on Zomato with a target price at 100 rupees per share, saying that there's been good delivery with a promising outlook. Moving on then, New Age Tech in the spotlight as Paytm posted its first ever quarterly operating profit 3 quarters ahead of the guidance as the company's losses narrowed during Q3. The payment gateway service provider reported a consolidated net loss of 392 crores for the quarter that narrowed from 779 crores just last year. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, the CEO at Paytm, had a lot of highlights. He said that EBITDA profitability growth rate will become 2 digits in the future and will be sustainable. He said regulatory risk management will remain the top focus, and the day is not very far where regulation issues with Paytm Payment Bank and Paytm Payment Services are going to be sorted. He also said that there's no incremental guidance for free cash flows going forward, but that investments will continue to be there for growth and marketing and will be funded internally. So that's the highlight on both of the new age tech companies. Moving right on to more updates. Ola Electric Vehicles maker Ola Electric announced the launch of their new range of e-scooters, the Ola S1 Air. The new S1 Air e-scooter lineup is priced between 84,999 to 1.09 lakhs, and reservations are now open for 999, and the purchase window for test rides and deliveries will commence from July 2023. It was first unveiled during Diwali, and this model for it, Ola has re-engineered the powertrain and the battery packs for the new variants of the S1 Air while retaining the popular features of the Ola S1. In more news and updates then that have come in, there's a lot going on with AI. Bard AI, which is the artificial intelligence war, which is only heating up with tech companies, large and small, that are really racing to outdo one another and get their AI powered product to market. But there was actually a mistake by Google's up-and-coming AI. The powered chatbot cost the company close to $100 billion in market value, as in a promotional tweet, Bard gave a wrong answer, and the end result is that Alphabet saw its shares nosedive by nearly 7%. Of course, the timing of the event coincides with a pivotal moment for the tech giant because its supremacy really stands to be threatened by the likes of ChatGPT, which can actually tailor better crafted responses to user questions. And in unfortunate news, layoffs have been seen across the board. Yahoo plans to cut more than half of its Yahoo for Business division by the end of the year, and that's going to affect over 1,600 employees. Disney could lay off as many as 7,000 employees in a necessary step to address the challenges. eBay has announced a 4% reduction of its workforce as the company is looking to cut their costs. And online meeting platform Zoom has also unveiled a plan to slash roughly 15% of the company's workforce. And finally then, it's a lot of controversy and lots of funny memes when it comes to the blue tick, as Twitter has recently launched its coveted blue tick verification program in India. The price? $650 for web, $900 for the blue tick monthly when you're looking at it from mobile. And it's, remember, a verified badge. It's highly sought after for a lot of Twitter users because it signifies that the account is authentic and trustworthy. However, we've seen Twitterati making a lot of memes to actually laugh at the Twitter blue price in India. There's a hashtag blue tick that was trending on Twitter, as they said it's actually better to invest in SIPs rather than paying 900 rupees per month for a blue tick. Share your thoughts with us, and that's an end with a wrap on all the startup news.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.